Continuation of 41 Bird Grove, Stokes Valley. We're down the final downpipe. As you can see, broken pipe work just to the right of the screen. Yeah, there's lots of breaks and it's all full of silt and various debris. So you can see there at the top of the screen, that's come apart. Sorry about the camera quality, that's on its way to coming apart. And yeah, you can see there's just a bunch of silt just sitting in there and it's holding water. Coming up, I'll show you where we are. So that's the downpipe we went down, and then, yeah, just the front of the property. Thank you.